The ancient Stoics valued the virtues of discretion and silence, recognizing that not every thought or experience should be shared with the world. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, proclaimed that the sole path to happiness is to cease worrying about matters beyond our control. With this wisdom in mind, let's delve into the 7 teachings of Stoicism that advise us to keep certain aspects of our lives private, fostering wisdom and inner strength. 1. Don't speak ill of yourself. One fundamental principle of Stoicism is the prohibition against speaking negatively about oneself. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, wisely advised against overheard complaints, even to oneself. This Stoic guideline aims to protect self-confidence and mental well-being. Constant self-deprecating thoughts erode self-esteem, hinder motivation, and impede personal growth. To adhere to this Stoic wisdom, it's crucial to be mindful of one's inner dialogue. Instead of self-criticism, strive to focus on potential and capabilities, fostering a positive and growth-oriented mindset. 2. Don't boast about self-improvement. Epictetus, another prominent Stoic philosopher, provides valuable counsel on self-improvement. He suggests pursuing personal growth with humility and discretion. Rather than loudly proclaiming efforts and accomplishments to the world, Stoicism encourages allowing actions to be the true testament of one's growth. Boasting about progress risks diluting the sincerity of intentions. Actions, not words, should be the measure of self-improvement. By adopting a silent and steadfast pursuit of self-improvement, one allows results to naturally inspire others. 3. Don't be a glutton. Musonius, a Stoic philosopher, emphasizes the importance of practicing moderation in all aspects of life, especially in eating and drinking habits. Stoicism values discipline and self-control as fundamental keys to success in both professional and personal endeavors. Moderation, a universal principle, encourages finding a balanced middle path. Whether it's overindulgence or extreme restraint, both can be detrimental. Practicing moderation is not just a virtue concerning food and drink, but is a universal principle applicable to every aspect of our lives, promoting discipline and self-control. 4. Don't be a big mouth. Zeno, considered the father of Stoicism, imparted timeless wisdom urging people to listen more than they speak. This advice is particularly relevant in today's talkative world, where the clamor for attention is louder than ever. Zeno's counsel encourages reflection on communication and interaction with others. Active and attentive listening is a valuable gift that demonstrates respect and empathy. Being a good listener sets individuals apart and fosters stronger bonds and more effective communication, both personally and professionally. 5. Don't be too focused on the future. Stoicism teaches a profound lesson about not becoming overly fixated on the future. Stoic thinkers like Epictetus remind us that certain aspects of life are beyond our control. Worrying about the uncontrollable, such as future events or the thoughts of others, leads to unnecessary stress and unhappiness. Stoic wisdom advises accepting the limits of control, focusing on the present, choosing reactions wisely, and reducing unnecessary stress. Letting go of excessive concerns about the future can lead to greater happiness, resilience, and a more peaceful state of mind. 6. Don't be ungrateful. Expressing gratitude is crucial in Stoicism. Recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of life, no matter how small, fosters positive relationships and creates an environment where people feel appreciated and valued. Ingratitude, on the other hand, involves not recognizing or showing appreciation for the good things that come one's way. It can strain relationships, lead to misunderstandings, and create a negative social atmosphere. Cultivating a habit of expressing gratitude enriches one's life and positively impacts interactions with others. 7. Avoid complaining for a happier life. Complaining is a habit that many develop without realizing its unproductive nature. Complaining rarely results in solutions or positive change. Instead, it brings negativity into one's life and the lives of those around. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that very little is needed to make a happy life, and it lies within one's way of thinking. Choosing not to complain and focusing on the positives can lead to improved mental health, enhanced relationships, increased productivity, and a deeper sense of gratitude. Understanding why complaining doesn't help is crucial. Complaining often becomes a repetitive, unproductive cycle that reinforces feelings of victimhood and helplessness. It strains relationships, drains those around us emotionally, and spreads negative energy. Choosing not to complain shifts the focus toward solutions, leading to reduced stress, enhanced relationships, increased productivity, and a greater sense of gratitude. In conclusion, embracing Stoic principles such as selective silence can greatly enhance personal growth and connections with others. Recognizing that not every thought or emotion needs expression allows for deeper introspection and self-improvement. Silence becomes a valuable teacher, enabling attentive listening to inner thoughts and emotions that often elude us in the hustle and bustle of constant communication. Selective silence is not about suppressing one's voice or stifling genuine expression. Instead, it's a mindful choice to filter and weigh the words we share, recognizing the impact they can have on ourselves and those around us. In a world saturated with noise, embracing moments of silence becomes a form of self-care and a pathway to deeper understanding. When we practice selective silence, we grant ourselves the opportunity to cultivate a heightened sense of awareness. This awareness extends beyond our immediate surroundings. It delves into the recesses of our minds. In the silence between spoken words, we find room for introspection, allowing use to explore the intricate landscapes of our thoughts and emotions. Internal reflection is a key component of the Stoic practice of selective silence. It involves turning our attention inward, examining our beliefs, values, and reactions to various stimuli. By doing so, we gain valuable insights into the motivations behind our actions and the patterns that shape our responses to the world. Moreover, selective silence serves as a powerful tool for fostering more profound connections with others. In a culture dominated by the constant exchange of information, a moment of shared silence can be profound. It invites a different form of communication, one that transcends words and taps into the unspoken language of empathy and understanding. The Stoics, with their emphasis on virtue and wisdom, understood the importance of measured speech. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, once remarked, "Silence is a lesson learned through life's many sufferings." In acknowledging the transformative potential of silence, the Stoics recognized it as a teacher that imparts invaluable lessons about resilience, patience, and the art of contemplation. Consider becoming a part of our community by subscribing to our channel if you discover insights in this video. Drop a comment below, like, and feel free to share. Your support means a lot, and through your subscription, you'll stay informed about upcoming Stoic content. We appreciate your presence in our community.